We just had a well put in, and we wanted to make sure that our drinking water was safe. This is probably even more important if you've had your well for a while. But this particular kit tests for all sorts of things. It tests for lead, bacteria. It tests your pH, which affects the flavor of your water. It tests for total hardness, total chlorine, nitrite, nitrate plus nitrite, copper, and iron. And all of those different things can have different effects on your water, different negative effects, a lot of them. And you won't want to know what you have in your water, whether you should filter your water, and just be as safe as you can be, because water is important for life. So we want to make sure it is safe. It does have this little chart on the back that shows you all the things that it tests for, and it gives a little explanation of that. Let me open it up here and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to open this because we haven't opened it yet, but it feels like there's a little vial in there that you can put your water in. And the test results are very fast and easy. So this is just a really good kit to make sure your drinking water is all that you think it is.